Okay, so here we are unboxing the Wegovy pen. This is Semaglutide. It's the same thing as Ozempic, but Wegovy is the brand for weight loss. We start at this low dose because we want to avoid side effects such as nausea and upset stomach. So here we have the needles, which we'll then insert into the end here. Here we have the liquid part, which is where the semaglutide is residing. And if you can see here, we charge the pen by twisting around here. Every click is a small dose until getting to 0.25 milligrams. There's a trick you can use here is every click is essentially a small dose. So if you want to do smaller microdoses, you just divide 0.25 by the amounts of clicks, and then you can find the amount of doses you have. So once you've injected the semaglutide, we cover the needle again and we unscrew it. We throw this part and we keep the pen. We have 4 doses in here. We put that back in, close our package, and we make sure we keep this in the fridge